What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Ooh. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am TonyaNicole, for you guys that do not know, and I want to thank you all for pressing that button to watch your girl today. Make sure before you leave, though, you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, okay. Just letting you know. Anyway, guys, today we're going to be unboxing a new subscription for my channel, and I'm so excited, girls and boys. I've been waiting on this box a long time, and I finally got it yesterday. So I was like, oh, wait. Let me get myself together to do this video for my people so they could see. And y'all know what it is? Of course you do. I know you read the title. It's the Bijou Beauty Box. Well, bag. Yeah. This normally comes in a box, guys, but the product, they have one product in here that was too big for the box. So they sent our goodies in this bag, and y'all, girl, I'm ready to open this thing up. So if you guys want to see what I have inside of my September's Bijou Beauty Box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing this weekend. Girl, I'm going to the Fried Chicken Festival. Okay, guys, welcome to all of my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. Bomb ass subscriber squad is welcoming you. We love you. Thank you so much for subscribing, guys. I love to see new faces in my comments. Also, guys, I wanted to update you guys on the little giveaway of this necklace from Miami Moon. I'm sorry. Why am I saying Miami Moon? From Moon Magic. We will be announcing the winner of this on probably my Wednesday video. And I just want to let you guys know about how I do my giveaways on my channel. So, yes, you have to be subscribed. You have to comment and like in order to be entered into the giveaway. That's a must. However, my giveaways are geared toward my bomb-ass subscriber squad. People that has been rocking with me for a long time, people that comment, like, subscribe. That's the people that I put into this little lucky envelope here and pull their name during my drawings. Y'all know I'm honest and I'm real, and I'm gonna let y'all know the real tea. I don't put people that just come in my comments one time and say, oh, I want to be in the giveaway. No, we don't do that here. I like to reward people that's been rocking with me because I rocks with y'all. It's not fair to my people that's been here that, you know, I enter somebody that's probably here in the comments for the giveaway and then we never see them again. No. On TonyaNicole's channel, we want people to interact with us. So the more you interact, the more you'll be welcome into my giveaways. It's no problem. Trust me, I love giving stuff away. And guys, if you don't win, please know that I will have more giveaways coming up. Trust me. So you're bound to win something from this channel. I promise you. Last time I was supposed to do 5 people, ended up doing 7. So, you know, we give back on this channel, but you got to be rocking with your girl. Okay? All right. So this box here, I watched some previous unboxings, and I was very impressed by some of the products that I saw. And plus I had a few people suggest down in my comments below for me to try this bag out, and I wanted to, and guess what? I did. So guys, without further ado, we've done enough rambling on. Yeah. We're going to get right on into this unboxing. So for you guys that do not know, Bijou Beauty Box is a $30 per month beauty subscription. You get 5 supposed to be full-size products from different companies each month. And guys, I did you guys a favor. I know y'all could thank me later. So I contacted this company and I asked them, you know, hey, I'm a YouTuber. I have some subscribers that, you know, pretty much rock with me, and they usually subscribe to some of the boxes that I have. So if you guys want to give them a code that they can use to get some money off, I would greatly appreciate it. And guess what they did, y'all? Guess what they did? They gave y'all 20% off if you use the code TonyaNicole. That's all you got to do. Use that code, you're going to get 20% off. And it is good for the single box. And that's a one-time purchase. It's good for the 3-month, 6-month, and year subscription. So y'all, there you go. I gave y'all some money off. I make no commission from this company. So y'all, 20% off. Y'all better use that code if y'all want to try this box out. So anyway, let's get on into this unbagging. I just got it yesterday, y'all, so I didn't even open it to see what was in it or anything. So yeah, this is like a first time for all of us. This is what it looks like on the inside, guys. It's full of that pink stuff. Lord, so much. So we're going to pull everything out the bag. I'm so flustered. Jesus. Okay, let me calm down. Maybe I should have had a glass of wine. So I think I pulled everything out of the bag. There was a lot of that little pink stuff in it, but yeah, y'all. So again, it does come with the card. This is the front. It says Bijou Beauty Box. And on the back, it says September 2019. Hey babe, hope you love this month's box. This box comes with 5 products and it lists the products right here. It's no prices, guys. So y'all know I'm really kind of bummed about that because I like the prices, but so let's get this cracking. First thing I'm seeing that I love is that they gave us 2 little candies here. These are like my favorite. I love, 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 love sour candies, y'all. Besides Dove chocolate, because I don't really care for chocolate too much. That's the only chocolate I like. But candy-wise, I love sour candy. So I'm definitely going to enjoy this tonight in my bed while I'm watching Real Housewives of Potomac. I'm gonna go with the product outside of the bag first because we also have this little bag and this came outside of the bag. This is from Ohhh, guys, and this is a banana powder. Ooh, okay, yes, I need a banana powder. So that's what that is looking like. And y'all know that I love Ohh's formula. I really, really, really do. So let's take it out of this. It just slides out like that. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna hold it so it doesn't fall out. And this is what the powder is looking like, guys. A nice, beautiful banana color. I am gonna swatch it and see. Ooh, it's kind of drying, but that's what it looks like swatched out. And we can add a little bit underneath my eyes just to kind of see what it's looking like, girls and boys. Let's see. And I'm using this little Medusa's brush that I have been loving to put powder under my eyes with, guys. Y'all see a difference? I don't know. Oh, it does give me like a kind of a brightening effect. Y'all see that? Oh, okay. I like that. Let's go down my nose and a little bit up here on this forehead. I have glitter on my face, guys, because I was playing with glitter I was playing with a glitter palette last night, and y'all, I got glitter all over my face still, and I've washed my face like 3 times, so it just does not want to go. That's why I don't like glitter. What y'all think? Okay. I love this brush, by the way. But this is a nice little thing to get. I need a little banana powder. You never can have enough banana powders, you know? So I'm glad that it works well with my skin. It did give me a little brightening underneath, and it feels really, really, really smooth, guys. So yeah, boy, we're gonna be definitely playing with this little baby. Okay, guys, up next, we're going to open up this little black bag here and see what we got in there. Y'all, I'm so excited for October. Oh my God, y'all. I swear, I love Halloween. Oh, it's my favorite, favorite, favorite holiday. And I can't wait. Y'all, I'm struggling with this little bag. Y'all, I can't wait for next month. And then after that, it's my birthday month. Guys, y'all, I'm so excited. I love fall. I just can't wait. Oh, I can't wait for the leaves to start changing colors and for me to be able to put my boots on with my scarf and my leather jackets and just look, and my dark lipstick and makeup and whoo, girl, I just cannot wait. I really cannot. I love it. Okay, so let's see. Right on top, I'm seeing from Chantilly's this Glow Dough. Oh, I like that name. This Glow Dough Glow Dust. And this Glow Dust. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And I just want to let you guys know, just in case y'all ask, today I'm wearing my Stila lipstick that I got out of my Boxy Luxe, and I absolutely love it. It's kind of similar to the one I had on in the last video, which is like my favorite. So yeah, I like it. And it's not really super drying on my lips. It feels nice and comfortable. So I just want to let you guys know, just in case you asked. This is the Glow Dough Glow Dust from Chantilly Cosmetics. And I did receive this a while back in one of my, I think it was Boss Babe boxes. Yes, they had one like this. So I'm not going to open this one because I do have another one. It's a beautiful, beautiful gold colored highlight. It's gorgeous, guys. And yeah, I'm going to get my other one and see what the name of that one is. But I liked it as a highlight. It's very, very, very beautiful. Hold on. Okay, so the one I got out of my Boss Babe box was called Honey Bunches, and it's a little deeper of a shade. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep this one because I like that one, and I'm gonna put this one in a giveaway for one of you guys because it's very pretty, guys, and I don't need that many highlighters. So yeah, this is going to give away for y'all. Up next, I am seeing a nice shiny box, which I love a shiny box. And this is the Gamma Gloss from Lunatics. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like. I don't want to blind y'all. Sorry if I do. And let's open it up. And I have the shade, I think it's Solar. Let's see. Let's open this baby. Ooh, oh, yeah. Girl. Let me tell y'all something about me. The more bling, the more better for me. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Look at that handle. It is absolutely gorgeous. And this is what it's looking like outside of that package. I think this is like a, yeah, this is a lip gloss, guys. I haven't heard of this company before, but we are gonna swatch it. Ooh. That's what it looks like right there, guys. That fluorescent pinky purple shade. It's like iridescent. It's, you know, a lot of different colors, but it is very pretty. I hope it's not sticky. I'm gonna just add a little bit. Ooh, it smells good. I just wanna add a little bit. We're not gonna do too much, that's good. Yes, I like this. This is very, very, very pretty. The packaging is gorgeous, y'all. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I'm happy about this. Up next, guys, I am seeing a brush. And y'all know I love brushes. Y'all know I love brushes. Ooh, it's very soft. And this is from Medusa's Makeup. Okay. It's a nice, I guess, like a blush brush or a powder brush, any brush. I mean, whatever you want to use your brushes for, you can. It's really no set rule. I'll probably use this to sweep away powder or to put my blush on. So yeah, and it's very soft. It's a little longer than I like for a brush, but it's soft. Hopefully it's not, you know, hopefully it'll still disperse my product evenly. That's the only thing I worry about when you have like a really soft brush, is that it kind of like, you know, it doesn't go on even. It just kind of patchy, I guess you would call it. But I'm hoping that this one is a good one, because I told you guys I have been loving this brush from Medusa, so, and they feel the same. So we're hoping this one will be a good one too. It's a nice sleek black packaging with the bristles here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous brush. So yeah, I'm happy to get brushes always. So our last product is this palette right here from JCat Beauty, and it is called the Sunset Boulevard palette. And it is a 24 pan eyeshadow palette with 12 shimmers and 12 mattes. And this is what the back of the package is looking like, guys. All of the shades here, and it's looking like a beautiful fall palette. Let's open it up. All right, it's nicely packaged with this bubble wrap here. And let's see. All right, guys, this is what the outside package is looking like. Standard black package. It kind of reminds me of Morphe's old packaging. Yeah, let's open it up and see. It does not come with a mirror, guys, but this is the palette here. Very beautiful neutral colors. I don't know, this one looks kind of, I don't know, these two look like they've been swatched or something. Y'all see that? Like right here and right there kind of look like they've been swatched. I hope not. Ooh, I hope not. Because it didn't come with the little plastic thing, so I hope they weren't swatched, y'all. I don't know, but this is what they look like. It's a very pretty palette to have. I'm gonna swatch the colors around those two because I'm not sure. It just looked like they've been touched. I don't know, I hope not. I'm gonna do 4 of the shimmer shades first, and that's what they look like on my fingertips. They feel very soft and buttery, guys, to touch, so that's good. And this is what the matte shades are looking like on my fingertips, and let's swatch it. And this is them swatched out, guys. Those are the colors. The shimmers naturally showed up really well. And the matte colors, they're kind of powdery, a little patchy, but we'll play with them and see. This is that dark purple shade. And you really can't see the last 2 shades that I swatched, but there is 2 shades right there. It just kind of blends in with my skin. So yeah, guys, we're gonna play with this and see how it works. But I hope my palette wasn't swatched. Okay, guys, so that is our last product in the bag for this month. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts. We're gonna rate the box, and we're gonna be done. And why y'all ain't telling me my hair was sticking out? Why? Why y'all let me go through this whole film with that little piece sticking out? And you know what? I'm gonna leave it just like that. So we got from JCat Beauty the Sunset Boulevard palette here. From Chantilly Cosmetics, this Glow Dust highlighter. We have from Medusa's this beautiful blush brush here. We also received from Lunatics this beautiful Gamma Gloss here. And last but not least, I don't know where it's at though, from Ohhh Cosmetics, this beautiful banana powder. And let's not forget our two little candies right there. I like that. So that's 5 products that we received for this month. Final thoughts on this box. For this being, I think this is a fairly new subscription. I think they may have started a couple months ago. For it being 30 bucks a month, I would have to say that it's an okay box. I'm not really like, ooh. I mean, they gave us some really good products. 30 bucks though, I would expect a little more, especially coming behind BoxyCharm and Ipsy, when you know BoxyCharm is $21, Ipsy is $25, and you know you get a little higher end makeup. But for $30, guys, I just don't want to receive a refill. You know, give me the compact, give me like the highlighter size from Ohhh of the banana powder. You know, that's all that I'm saying. But I thought that it was an okay box. It wasn't nothing that kind of like blew me out the water. Soon I'm going to be doing a face full of my makeup subscription products, because in one of my little boxes, y'all, I got a foundation. I can't wait for you guys to see. But so we're going to be doing that soon, testing out these products and trying them to see if I really like them. But this was just an okay box for me. I think for 30 bucks, they kind of need to, you know, step it up just a little bit. But yeah, if I had to rate this box on a scale, guys, from 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the wolves, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com and I want more and more and more, I'm going to give Bijou Beauty Box for this month like a 3. We're going to do a 3 because I just think for the price, I think the products should be a little bit more on the higher end side for me. Now, you guys let me know in the comments down below what you think about this box. Do you think for $30 that the products that you're getting is worth it? I definitely want to know. I am subscribed to them for 3 months, so we will definitely be keeping an eye out on Bijou. And babe, if they don't get a little better, we're going to have to cut Bijou Box too. Please let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Don't forget, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. I love, love, love new people. I love to see new faces in my comments. I absolutely love it. Giveaway winner will be announced on Wednesday. Please follow me on social media. I am most active on Instagram. All of those links are down below. Also, I will leave the link to Bijou down below for you guys too, just in case you wanted to check them out or check out any past unboxings. That's all that I have, guys. That's it. I'm going to make me some breakfast now at, what time is it? I don't even know. It's like afternoon though. So guys, until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. Make sure you're drinking a glass of wine while you're watching this video. Okay? Okay. Peace, guys.